Hi there, Matt here from EWI Store, here today to talk to you about our 302 deep penetrating substrate primer. So with this, you use, as you see, it comes in a 5 litre jerry can. Use it direct from the jerry can itself, so mixing itself straight onto the wall. Don't need to add any water. Apply with either a roller or a brush, whichever's easier for you, whichever you prefer. Really good for the new blockwork and brickwork, so anything that's really absorbent for the moisture. So this stuff will literally go over all that and stop it sucking all the moisture out of the base coats. It takes about 2 to 4 hours to dry, so once that's dry, weather dependent, you can be able to get on with all your base coats, your beading, your mesh, so on with the job. But yeah, it's a really good deep penetrating primer. So yeah, grab some of this.